Going to the airport is exciting, but it can also be stressful if you don't know the steps. Here is a guide to help you have a smooth journey. Checking in and luggage. When you arrive at the terminal, the first step is to find the check-in counter for your airline. You must show your passport and your booking reference. The staff will ask if you want a window seat or an aisle seat. Then they weigh your checked luggage. If your bag is too heavy, you might have to pay a fee. Finally, they give you a boarding pass, which shows your flight number and boarding time. Security screening. After check-in, you follow the signs to security. You need to put your hand luggage, jacket, and electronic devices like laptops or tablets into a plastic tray. You must walk through a metal detector. It is important to remember that, in most airports, you cannot take large bottles of liquid on the plane. Sometimes there can be long queues at security screening, so always give yourself enough time before your flight to do this. The departures area. Once you are through security, you enter the departure lounge. This is a great place to relax or do some duty-free shopping. You should check the departure board frequently. It tells you the status of your flight. For example, if it is boarding, delayed, or cancelled. When you see your gate number, follow the signs to that area. Boarding and takeoff. At the gate, the ground crew will check your boarding pass and passport again. Then you walk down the jet bridge to the aircraft. A flight attendant greets you at the door. You should find your seat quickly and put your small bags in the overhead locker. Before takeoff, make sure your seatbelt is fastened and your phone is on flight mode. Arrivals and customs. After the plane lands, follow the arrivals sign. If you are in a foreign country, you must go through passport control. Then go to the baggage carousel to collect your suitcases. Before you leave, you might need to go through customs to declare specific items. Are you going to the airport soon? Tell me in the comments.